How are you? I'm here with your reading for 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Taurus, which is going to be sun sign, moon sign, and ascendant. Ascendant meaning Lagna. If you are aware of your astrological chart, then this is for you. And let us see what Tarot has to say. And after which I will be doing. Uh, okay, so I'll be doing all the earth signs together. Oh, wow. So, Ten of Swords is basically saying that there is a lot of stress, but this is also saying that this is the end of your stress. And yes, there is going to be stress, but eventually a new cycle is going to begin, new things are going to happen, and things will definitely get better. Ten of Cups again, the end of a cycle, but the end of a dissatisfied or unhappy cycle. So, if there has been problems in your family, then it's going to be ending very soon. And then we have the Three of Pentacles, which says that you are going to be appreciated, your work is going to be appreciated, money is going to come in, although slow, but yes, it'll happen. Seven of Cups says that you need to be very careful, be grounded, be practical, do your grounding meditations regularly if you can. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check up the grounding meditation that I put up on Instagram or the one that I did yesterday. In the end, I've done a 20-minute grounding meditation that becomes very important. So that you are practical and don't end up making the wrong choices in a fit of emotions or rage or frustration. Yes, there is going to be, you're going to spend a lot, and there may be some kind of money loss. Make sure that you are careful about the directions you are tapping into. I do keep putting up posts for the right directions to use and what they may cause every month. So please take care about that. And if you are confused, you know exactly what to do. Call me up, take an appointment, and let's see what we can do for you. Now, oracle guidance. What does guidance say? Okay, with the kind of cards I see here in tarot, when it comes to health, you need to do not, try and because this seems like a lot of stressful cycle. So stress may cause stress related issues like blood pressure, diabetes, and all. So if you are already prone to that, please be careful. And if you are not, then be careful that you don't attract that into your life. um, Also, when it shows so much of water, there is a probability of health issues regarding so I would say thyroid problems or prostate problems or something like that. Also, I feel that some women may go through some kind of disturbed menstrual cycles. So please be careful about your medications or your regular checkups. What does the oracle say? Relationship harmony. This is the Archangel Oracle deck, and it says Archangel Raguel says, we angels are opening the hearts of everyone involved. Arguments and conflicts are being resolved. So please call on to Archangel Raguel every time something like that happens. And remember who you are. Archangel Michael says you're a powerful, loving, and creative child of God. You are very loved. So do not get into guilt and regret cycles. Instead, call on to Archangel Michael to help you with it. Comfort, Archangel Azrael says, I am with you in your time of need, helping your heart to heal. So seems like relationship issues. So you can always call on to Archangel Azrael. He is always there to help you. Meanwhile, you take care of yourself, and if you ever need guidance or you need a reading, personal reading, you know where to get in touch with me. It's Telegram. I'm Guinean Asia 11. I'm on WhatsApp. You can message me on my social media as well. Thank you so much for watching. Do share and take care of yourself.